Hey there, are you someone trying to incorporate UX, UI, or design in your life? Or are you someone looking to change their careers and want to give UX, UI a shot? Well, if that's you, you're at the right place. This course is the best for someone who wants to give UX, UI design a shot and get a taste of what it's all about. So check out this course and let us know in the comments below your thoughts.
Welcome back. In Module 2 of our course, we'll dive into the fascinating world of user research. Understanding your users is key to designing a user-centric landing page that truly resonates with your target audience. Let's explore how we can conduct effective user research together. User research is the process of gathering insights and understanding the needs, preferences, and behaviors of your target audience. It helps you make informed design decisions that cater to your users' expectations and create a seamless experience for them. So in simpler terms, user research is like when we talk to the people who will use something like a toy or a game to understand what they like and how they use it. We ask them questions and watch them play to learn what they want and how they want it. This helps us make the toy or game better so that it's fun and easy for them to use. Now, there are several user research methods that can be employed, including user interviews, surveys, usability testing, and observation. So, interviews involve one-on-one conversations with users to gather qualitative data. They allow designers to delve deeper into users' thoughts, motivations, and experiences. And interviews can be conducted in person, over the phone, or even through video calls. Surveys involve collecting information from a large number of participants through a set of structured questions. They provide quantitative data and insights into user preferences, satisfaction levels, and demographics. Usability testing involves observing users as they interact with a product or prototype. It helps identify usability issues and provides insights into how users navigate through the interface, complete tasks, and interpret information. The fourth one, observation. This research involves directly observing users in their natural environment to understand their behaviors, needs, and pain points. This method provides valuable insights into user workflows and context of use. Now, in the next video, we'll see how the Xccelerate students incorporated user research in their case study. It's going to be a fun and exciting exploration of how they gathered insights from real users to inform their design decisions. Now, we will see how it was conducted in a case study of the HKTV Mall app. The students employed multiple user research methods, including surveys, interviews, and usability tests. They wanted to improve the experience of users and address any problems they might be facing. To do this, they talked to users and asked them questions. They also watched how users interacted with the app and tried to buy things. This helped them understand what people liked and didn't like about the app and what was difficult for them. For example, one of the things they did was ask users to rate how easy it was to find things in the app on a scale of 1 to 5. They found that only a small percentage of users gave a high rating, which means that most people found it difficult to navigate and find what they were looking for. By doing this research, the researchers were able to identify some problems and pain points that users were experiencing. This information helped them come up with recommendations on how to improve the app and make it easier and more enjoyable for users. We've just explored the user research conducted in the HKTV Mall app case study. It's fascinating to see how they utilized different research methods to gather valuable insights for improving the user experience. If you're interested in diving deeper into the various research methods they utilized and the findings they uncovered, you can continue reading the detailed case study. Just click on the link below to access it. Now, let's move on to our next video where we'll do an exciting activity together. We'll be picking a product for our landing page. It's time to put our creativity to work and select the perfect product to showcase. In this exciting part of our case study journey, it's time to choose a product for your landing page. I have a special assignment for you that will help in making this decision. You can do it on a piece of paper or using the tool introduced to you in the earlier videos, FigJam. Are you ready? Here's your task. I want you to think about a problem. or a need that you personally have experienced. It could be something related to technology, home organization, health, or anything else that you feel passionate about. Take a moment to reflect on this and write down your ideas. Great! Now it's time to select one idea from your list, the one that resonates with you the most. This will be the product you'll be focusing on for your landing page design. Once you've chosen your product, I have another assignment for you. It's time to conduct some user research to gather insights and ensure that your product meets the needs of your target audience. We will be doing this by interviewing someone around you, a friend, a family member, or even a colleague who might be interested in the product you have in mind. This interview will help you gather insights and understand their perspective in terms of their preferences, pain points, and desired features related to the product. Now, to help you generate interview questions, consider the following points. What features would they find most valuable? What challenges do they currently face in this area? And how do they typically use similar products? These questions will give you a good starting point. Now, let's create some sample questions together. For example, if our product is a fitness tracker, one question could be, what fitness-related goals do you have? And how do you track your progress towards them? Take a moment to come up with 3 additional questions that you would like to ask during the interview. Excellent. Once you have your 3 interview questions, it's time to select a person to interview. Look for someone around you who might be interested or have experience with the product you chose. Now, when starting the interview, make your interview feel comfortable and explain the purpose of the interview. You can say something like, "Thank you for taking the time to participate in this interview. I'm working on a project related to the product name, and I would love to get your insights and perspective on it." During the interview, ask your questions one by one, giving your interviewee enough time to respond. Encourage them to share their thoughts and experiences openly. Actively listen to their responses and take notes. Remember, this is an opportunity to gain valuable insights into your potential users' needs and their preferences. As you conclude the interview, express your gratitude for their time and insights. You can say something like, "Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts and experiences. Your insights will be incredibly helpful in shaping the direction of my project. I truly appreciate your valuable input." After you've conducted the interview, review your notes and reflect on the insights you gained. These insights will guide your product selection process for the landing page. Take your time to conduct the interview and gather as much information as possible. In the next video, we'll use these insights to make an informed decision and select the perfect product for our landing page. In the next module, we will explore another research method called desktop research. It will provide us with additional insights and information to support our decision-making process. We'll also continue our case study journey and use the gathered insights to make informed decisions for the landing page. So, stay tuned for the exciting discovery in the upcoming module. See you there!
Congratulations if you made it this far. You have what it takes to become a UX UI designer or incorporate UX in your career. So I highly recommend to keep the momentum going and to finish this course if you haven't already. And if you have, check out xccelerate.co for more options.